Hi friends, you're watching Gate Helpline, and in this video, we will see question number 36 from ISRO December 2017 question paper. Friends, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the latest updates from our channel regarding GATE exam. So friends, question number 36 is from Computer Network, that is, Station A uses 32 byte packets to transmit message to Station B using a sliding window protocol. The round trip time delay between A and B is 40 ms and the bottleneck bandwidth on the path A and B is 64 kbps. What is the optimal window size that A should use? And the options are A5, B10, C40 and D80. So friends, now we'll see explanation to this question. In this question, we are given that Station A uses 32 byte packet to transmit message to Station B using a sliding window protocol. So, frame size is 32 into 8 bits. Point 2 is the round trip time delay between A and B is 40 ms. So, round trip propagation delay is 40 ms. And the bottleneck bandwidth on the path A and B is 64 kbps. So, the bandwidth given is 64 kbps. So, the question here is, what is the optimal window size that A should use? And for this, we can find window size with the help of calculating utilization. So friends, this is the formula we can use to calculate the optimal window size. Here, utilization equals to Ws into Fs upon Bw upon RTT, where Ws is window size, Fs is frame size, Bw is bandwidth, and RTT is round trip time. And we know that the utilization must be maximum. So, we need to consider the optimal window size, means the window size which leads to the maximum utilization. And the maximum utilization is 1. So, we can put 1 in case of utilization, and this window size we can keep as Ws or N for X, and rest of the 3 values we know. So, we can calculate easily what is the optimal window size. So friends, now we can use this formula to calculate the window size. So here, the utilization is 1. So we had kept 1 in the place of utilization. Ws, which we want to find. Fs, that is the frame size, is 32 into 8. Bw is the bandwidth, that is 64. RTT is the round trip time, that is 40. So the ms and kbps are cancelled. In the next step, we had simply taken the window size on the other hand and the rest of the numericals on the other hand. So that results in 40 into 64 upon 32 into 8. By simply solving, we can cancel these two by the table of 4, that is 4 tens are 40 and 4 twos are 8. This one, and 32 into 2 is 64. So at the place of 32 we have 1 and 64 we have 2. And here we can cancel these two and we are left with 10. So the window size is 10, that is the optimal window size for which we can get the maximum utilization is 10. Friends, for practicing, download GATE Virtual Calculator by GATE Helpline from Android Play Store. So friends, as per our explanation, answer to this question is option B, that is the optimal window size that A should use to get the maximum utilization is 10. So friends, thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe our channel and share our videos to appreciate our work. If you have any doubt or question, please comment below and keep watching our channel for videos like this.